we present you the ultimate cleaning hacks. Boiling water, salt, baking soda, and vinegar do wonders when combined. How do you sharpen scissors that won't cut? Salt, vinegar, and baking soda will do the trick. You already know that the washing machine needs to be cleaned. Try to mix toothpaste, vinegar, and baking soda. This is the result of it. We're curious to see what happens when you mix Coca-Cola and dishwater. And this is the result of Sprite and shampoo combo. Did you know that you can wash your dishes by mixing dishwater and alcohol? This is how you can save your favorite frying pan. Good as new. Now this is what you call a good wash. If you want to wash your jewelry, you may want to try this trick. Talk about amazing transformations. Ever heard of this combination? Toothpaste and beer apparently care for your dirty sneakers. Hope you enjoyed these hacks.